Hello, kindergarten. We are going to be making circles inspired by the artist Kandinsky, and we talked about how he made concentric circles. That's circles that are inside of each other. So, is this a concentric circle? No, not yet. If I put another circle in the middle, is it a concentric circle now? Yes, it is. So our job today is we're going to be making little ornaments for our tree that we're going to make next week using Kandinsky style concentric circles. And so we have big circles and we have little circles. Your job is to find complementary color matches. So if I have a big green circle, could I put a blue circle in the middle? Is blue green's complement? No. I would need to find a red circle to go in the middle. That is the complement. So to glue my two pieces together, I'm going to put the glue on the smaller piece of paper. I never put it on the big piece. I always put it on the small piece. Because if I put it on the big piece, I don't know where it's going to go. I might get glue all the way over here, and then my paper won't cover it, and then it'll be all sticky, and that's not good. So I always glue the smaller circle, not the big circle, the small circle. Now, I'm not going to have time to make all these little ornaments and put them on my tree today. So when I make a little ornament, I need to save it. You're going to have a plastic bag that is just for you. I'm going to come by and write your name on it. And whenever you make an ornament, you're going to put it inside your bag so we can save it for next week. So I'll keep looking to see if I can find complementary color pairs. So if I have a yellow, what am I going to need to put for the small circle? If you said purple, good job. Purple would be what I need to find because purple is yellow's complement. Do I glue the big paper or the little paper? If you said glue the little paper, good job. So then I can glue my little paper. And I can stick it in the middle to make that concentric circle. Then as soon as I'm done with one, I need to add it to my baggie. I'm gonna keep going because I want lots of different ornaments for my tree, so I'm gonna make lots of different color matches. So I'm going to make at least 10 circles, and I'm going to put them in my baggie so that I can save them for next week and I can add them to my Christmas tree. All right, now I'm ready to make my Christmas tree. With my paper, I'm going to get one that's folded in half. A Christmas tree is symmetrical. Symmetrical means it's the same on both sides. So instead of us drawing a whole tree, we're going to draw half a tree, and all I need to make my tree is a big zigzag line. So I'm going to go from this corner down to this corner. So I'm going to start at the top corner. I'm going to make one big zig in, zag out. Another one in and out. I only did 2 zigzags, okay? I don't want a bunch of little zigzags. I want 2 big ones. So I'll make a diagonal line. Then I'll go in a little bit, and then I'll keep going. Diagonal line, then I go in a little bit, then a diagonal line so that I'm touching this corner down here. Now, I have half a tree. My job is going to be to cut this tree out on the line that I drew. I have a tree because my tree is symmetrical. I could make a second tree if I wanted to, with the leftover paper. Trees are symmetrical, so they're the same on both sides. So I'm going to use the one big tree that I cut, and I'm going to glue it down to another piece of paper. So I'm going to pick a different piece here, and I'm going to go ahead and glue my tree down to the other piece of paper. All right, same as last week. When I glue, I always glue the smaller piece of paper. So which one's smaller, the tree or the square rectangle? If you said the tree, good job. So that's what I'm putting the glue on. So I want to put glue all over my tree. All right, once my tree is on my paper, I'm ready to pull out my complimentary color ornaments from last week, and I can decorate my tree. I can put my ornaments anywhere on the tree. Like to spread them out. All right, when I have them where I want them, I'm going to put the glue on the ornament because the ornament is the smaller piece of paper. And then I can stick them down to create my tree.